What's going on, guys? Today I got my Jeep Wrangler. It's a 2011. Did a lot of upgrades to it. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to kind of give you an overview and a review on the Fab 4. Right now these are the Fenders, and then I actually added on to the shark gills. The only thing I don't like about this is once you start doing stuff like this, you can kind of see, if you look, like right here, there's a gap where I didn't paint yet. I have to do that. And then as you slowly go on, obviously there's defects because they're made once you order it, but they're pretty cool, full steel. Just slowly, like I said, wear and tear. If they mess up on a weld, it slowly starts to corrode and rust, which I've already emailed them trying to get new ones, seeing I go to a lot of shows. But no, I mean, it's pretty cool. It definitely, you know, adds on everything. And then within the shark gills, you won't be able to see it, but if you go inside, you can actually add little, you know, LED lights, rock lights, to make the whole thing light up, look pretty cool. So I did that, and obviously, you know, I have everything else added, but I'll put that in the next video. I'd recommend this to people. The only thing I would recommend is just making sure that you do everything right, so therefore you don't end up having to do it again. When we install these, it takes a lot of time. There's a lot of fabrication, so if you can't do stuff like that, or you don't have a shop to do it, I would have it professionally installed. But if you guys definitely have any questions or concerns about it, and if it's worth it, definitely let me know. Comment, subscribe, and yeah, just email me. I'll leave the email below. Have a good one.